Yo guys, this vlog. So yesterday I got a call for a TV mounting, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this thing out. I went ahead and scheduled the job. Oh my man, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing mounted up, show you guys what it takes to get it done on this appointment. See what's at. So finally made it in this place, and we got a 55-inch, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing strapped up, put the mounting brackets on the back of it, put the bracket on the wall, and go ahead, let's go ahead and get this thing down, and I'll show you guys the process. Job completed. Now she's in the game. Now I'm finna go ahead and move out.